morning. Happy, what's today? Wednesday? Tuesday? Wednesday, November 6th. It snowed. Look at this. Somebody look at this. These roads are a little, actually I'm gonna go this way. A little icy. Full of snow. There was about a foot of snow on my car. But here we go to the office. I probably will not be driving and talking much because I need to concentrate on these roads. Hopefully the highway is cleared. As far as snow goes, I don't care if it can be packed with traffic, because then you just go slow when it's full of traffic, and I'm okay with that. I just mean as far as ice goes. We have a very, very, very busy day. But that's okay. The day's gonna fly by. Alright, here we go. I can't tell if there's ice melt on these roads or not. That is the fun thing about driving in the snow, is that the lane lines are covered. So you just drive all over the road. Nobody can say anything because the lines are covered. Alright, let me concentrate on this road. Just wanted to show you guys the little storm that we had. Oh, why do you have your hazards on, sir? Storm that we had today. Not little. And it's supposed to snow all day today. Light flurries, and then snow tomorrow throughout sometime of tomorrow. And we're supposed to go to the mountain on Saturday. So we'll see how that goes. Why do you have your hazards on? Makes me nervous for you. A front wheel drive and he slips and slides all over the place, and he's just trying to let us know. This is not our first snow. It actually snowed the day before Halloween. I did pick up the camera and record because that's when I went to drop off my phone at T-Mobile. So I recorded in the car, but I didn't put that out. Anyways, hey guys, thank you for clicking on the channel. Somebody left their bumper on the side of the road. Thank you for clicking on the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, thank you, thank you. Really a returning supporter. I really appreciate you guys. If you just happen to click on the channel, thank you for clicking on the video. Hopefully you make it through the video, whatever this video may be. And I would truly appreciate if you become one of my supporters as well. Hit that follow button. And yeah, we're gonna continue this little slow drive to the office. Get on this highway, see how that goes. I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Thank you guys for clicking on VD's Way. weekend in the mountains. It was a struggle to get up here, but we made it safely. Bathroom. Kitchen area. Little sitting room, living room. Outdoor patio. Pool view. The pool is open. It's 28 degrees outside. And the pool and the hot tub are open. I doubt that we'll be getting in there, but it's open if we feel like it. I wish you guys could see the mountains. There's just a lot of fog. We went through a crazy snowstorm to get up here. It's like a 3.5 hour drive, and it took us 4.5 hours. We were stuck behind all kinds of semis that were stuck on the highway. It was a crazy drive, but we made it safely, thank God. Thank you to my husband who drove us and got us here safely. We just stopped at a restaurant, had dinner, had a drink, had a shot in the truck, and now we're here about to go play some games and have some more drinks.
Rented the whole place. Just
the whole place.
For 2 days.
Thank you. I guess that's a movie theater room. Sometimes that's all you can do in the mountains is watch movies when it's snowing, but it's not snowing anymore. Oh. And why do none of these doors open? There's no lock on it. What if I need fresh air? What the hell am I supposed to do? Look, this one don't even got a handle on it. A little kid area with some sunglasses. Not gonna lie, this creeps me out a little bit. We're not touching nothing, we're just gonna walk away. That's a little creepy. I feel like I'm in this area right here. I'm waiting on like all the old people to show up. Like a little retired home event area. I just want to go outside. But I can't open any of these fucking doors. Let's try this one. I feel trapped. I don't like feeling trapped.
Yes, you can.
No, you can't. Yeah, they're
There's a
like
bunch of kids here.
permanently locked. Good morning. Happy Saturday. It is snowing out here. You can't really see it in the camera, but it's coming down. Can't even see the mountains. Yeah, it's completely white. I'm not going outside because I don't have bottoms on. But it was so hot in here last night that we ended up sleeping on the pull-out in the living room because we could not get it to cool down in the room. We even had to put a little fan out. My husband went to grab coffee and water. I didn't have enough water yesterday, and I can tell my body needs water, so I'm about to start getting ready for the day. We are gonna go to our spa day today, so we'll probably go to breakfast and then walk around, see what's out there, and go from there.
Wait, what season am I in? Hold on a second.
Hey, Meta, take a picture.
Huh? Why'd you go on with your slippers? Ay, no puedes llevarte al mexicano de México.
Ay, este indio.
I know.
If you don't want to.
No seas naco. You're getting fungus.
Can you guys see the snow? It's snowing.
The water feels good though.
Mm-hmm.
Because in that room, all of the people
Yeah, it's still.
Can't see it.
Sauce on the Creek is what it's called.
Thank you. Ain't nobody here. Hopefully it's good.
so much shit. Yeah. There's always so much shit in our table. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So much cheat.
So much shit.
What did she talk about?
think we should start rating all of the food.
Drink.
Drinks.
I thought we were gonna just pour it all over. Hot.
I think you should record Eddie giving his experience on how he felt at the spa.
Babe, how did you feel at the spa?
I mean, how I felt at the spot.
How did you
Great.
the spa?
We had a great time sitting from the hot
And
tub
on
to the
his
steam
back,
room
we
to the
can have extra limes.
dry heat room.
And the massage? The massage?
The massage was great. It felt nice.
Well, you have a big old hickey on your thing, so I'm very good.
We were just sitting in that hot tub right there.
And we're going back. There's
Get ready
3
to go
hot
back
tubs,
to
babe.
that.
Yeah,
Oh, I thought there was only 2.
there's 3 of them. See, this is the one, we've been to that one before, right? Mama, you've been to the spa over in this one, right? They just look all the same.
They do.
Little cars, that's so cute. And look at the gondola. So the gondola, babe, it's probably right behind us.